at your spacious living and dining area. Upper cabinets, you can see how spacious your kitchen is. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Serendipity BKC by Forum Group located in BKC, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me is the main entrance and the actual tower where you can see the tower is totally ready. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. From both the sides, left and right of the project, you can go towards the main road. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where the listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1 acre that has 1 tower of 4 basement, ground plus 19 residential floors plus 2 levels of amenities, having spacious and luxurious 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities in the project. Right now we are standing on the 19th floor that has the entrance to the amenities. As we enter, you can see this over here is your library. You can see how spacious your library is. You have seating area, seating corners provided. You have full privacy and peace in your library section. And this over here is the staircase to the other amenities. You also have a lift provided from where you can go to the top floor. And this over here is the first floor of your amenity section. Over here you can see this is your clubhouse and banquet hall section where you can host parties and gatherings with your friends and family. You can see how spacious this area is. You also have a spa, steam and sauna corner. And on the left you have other amenities like gym, game zone and many more. And this over here is the second floor of amenities. Over here you have the kids pool and the adults pool. You have jacuzzi present over here with changing room provided for men and women separately. And this is the top floor of the project. You can also have a look at the views from this top floor of the project. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at G Block near Asian Heart Hospital, BKC. From where BKC is at a distance of 2 minutes, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 5 minutes. You also have Bandra Worli Sea Link at a distance of 10 minutes and Terminal 1 Airport at a distance of 15 minutes from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. For now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, before getting into the sample flat tour, let me tell you that we are standing in the actual tower of the project. This over here is the actual lobby. You can have a look at the elevators entrance and you have 5 flats per floor. And this over here is the entrance of your spacious 3 BHK. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1467 square feet. As we enter, you can have a look at your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious your living and dining is. You will be getting marble floors in the whole apartment. You can have a look. You can place a sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. And We are standing in the actual apartment, so over here you will be getting full French windows with glass facades provided for your safety and beautiful standing balcony views. You can also have a look at the actual view from the apartment. And over here we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. Moving forward, this over here is the entrance to your kitchen space where you can see you will be getting a C-shaped platform. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. You have ventilation windows provided in the kitchen and you have a very spacious duct area attached to your kitchen. And now, before moving forward towards the bedroom, let me tell you that you have separate servant rooms provided on the floor of each unit. You have 5 flats on each floor and you have separate servant rooms with washroom for each and every unit. Now, moving forward, this over here is your alley area where you can see the entrances of your bedrooms. Over here on this side, we have your first bedroom. As we enter, you have a very spacious foyer area. Also, you have wardrobe space provided towards the right of the entrance that will give you a beautiful walk-in wardrobe look. And as you move forward towards the left, you have the entrance of your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your first bedroom. You can see how spacious your bedroom is. You can easily place a king or queen size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. Also in this bedroom, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for your safety and beautiful standing balcony looks. Now let's move forward towards the other bedrooms. As we exit from this bedroom, over here you can see you have 2 entrances towards 2 bedrooms. Over here is your second bedroom that you can see is very spacious. Just like the previous one, you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. You can also customize a study corner. Over here you can make this your kids bedroom. You can customize your wardrobes in this corner and a TV unit if you wish to. Again, you will be getting half French windows with glass facades for safety and standing balcony views. And over here in this corner we have the private washroom for this bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's enter the master bedroom. As we enter, you can see right at the entrance you have wardrobe space provided. You have a very spacious foyer area that will give you a beautiful walk-in wardrobe look. And attached to this walk-in wardrobe, you have your private washroom that is very spacious and will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, this over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can see how spacious and luxurious your master bedroom will be. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. Even after placing all your furniture, you can easily place a king size bed along with your side tables. You can customize a TV unit. You can also place an extra sofa if you need to. And in this master bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You can see how spacious this balcony is. You can enjoy the views with your friends and family from this balcony. So this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Serendipity BKC. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Serendipity BKC by Forum Group, located in BKC, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.